In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a lead form in Typeform. Whether you're gathering potential customer information for your business or simply wanting to streamline your data collection process, creating a lead form in Typeform is both intuitive and efficient. Let's dive right in and get your form up and running. First, you'll need to head over to typeform.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but if you already do, just log in. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the option to create a new form. Go ahead and click on Create Form. This is your starting point for building your lead form. Next, you'll be introduced to Typeform's AI feature. In the search bar, type Create a Lead Form and then click the right arrow. This intelligent tool will help you set up a basic structure for your lead form. It's a great way to get started, especially if you're new to Typeform or want to save some time. After the AI has done its part, you'll see an option to create form again. Click it, and this will solidify the basic setup that the AI has laid out for you. You now have the bones of your lead form ready to go, but here's where the real fun begins. Customization. Customizing your lead form is crucial to ensure it meets your specific needs. You can change the questions, alter the design, and add various fields depending on the information you want to collect. For instance, you might want to include fields for names, email addresses, phone numbers, or any other data that is important for your leads. Remember, the more relevant information you gather, the better you can tailor your subsequent communications with potential clients. To customize, simply click on any part of the form and you'll see editing options pop up. You can adjust the text, add new questions, or even incorporate multimedia elements to make your form more engaging. Don't forget to pay attention to the aesthetics of your form as well. Typeform offers a variety of design options, allowing you to align the form with your brand's visual identity. Consistency in design can make your form look more professional and trustworthy, which is key in collecting leads. Once you've made all your customizations, be sure to preview your form. This step is essential to ensure everything looks and functions as you intended. You can do this by clicking on the preview button, usually located at the top of the editor. Test the form to see how it performs from a user's perspective. Fill out the fields, check for any errors or awkward phrasing, and make sure it's easy to navigate. Finally, when you're satisfied with your form, it's time to share it. Typeform provides multiple sharing options, including direct links, embedding on your website, or even sharing via social media. Choose the method that best suits your audience and begin collecting those valuable leads. And there you have it, a fully customized lead form ready to capture the information you need. Thanks for watching and happy form building.